Ever wondered how people are 3D printing entire houses? Instead of bricks and workers laying one by one, a giant robot printer uses layers of concrete to build the walls automatically, kind of like icing a massive cake, but with cement. These machines can finish a small house in just a few days, saving tons of time and labor. Homeowners save both time and money, since the process needs fewer workers and less material waste. Plus, the designs can be wild. Curved walls, custom shapes, and futuristic styles that would be almost impossible by hand. It's a growing trend in construction and one of the most efficient ways to tackle housing shortages. Would you live in a 3D printed house?